Today in this video, I'll explain Uniqlo's return policy for all items. We'll cover whether you need a receipt, what happens if you return items without tags, and the policy for sale items. So, let's dive into the complete details of the Uniqlo return policy. Uniqlo's extended return period, holiday purchases. Let's start with the extended return period. For orders placed between 15th November 2024 and 24th December 2024, you have 60 days to return items. Purchases made before 15th November 2024 or after 24th December 2024 follow the standard return period of 30 days. Example, if you bought an item on 22nd November 2024, your last day to return it would be 20th January 2025. General requirements for returns. To be eligible for a return or exchange, your item must be unwashed, unworn, and unaltered. Have all tags attached. Be returned within the 30-day period or the 60-day period for holiday purchases. Example, if you purchased on 10th July 2024, the last day to return would be 9th August 2024. Return policy for in-store purchases. Here's how to handle returns and exchanges for items purchased at a Uniqlo store. Returns. You can return items at any Uniqlo store in the US as long as the return meets the requirements. Don't forget to bring the purchase receipt and original payment method. Exchanges. You can exchange items at any US Uniqlo store for the same item in a different size or color. Return policy for online purchases, uniqlo.com. For items bought online, there are two options. Option 1. Exchanges online. Go to your order history to process an exchange. A temporary hold will be placed on your credit or debit card, but you won't be charged again. Once Uniqlo receives the original item, the hold is refunded. May take up to 7 business days. Option 2. Exchanges in store. You can exchange an online order at any US Uniqlo store for the same item in a different size or color. If you want a different item, you'll need to submit a return request online. Either place a new order online or shop in store. Returns for online purchases. If you paid using credit debit card, Klarna, PayPal, or other digital payment methods, returns can only be done via mail using a prepaid return label. The return label can be generated from your order history. A $7 return fee will be deducted from your refund. Important. Refunds for online orders cannot be processed in stores. Return policy of return fees for multiple orders. If you're returning multiple orders by mail, generate a separate return label for each order. Place one label outside the box and the others inside. You'll only be charged one return fee, $7. Return policy for sale items and items without tags. Sale items. Sale items follow the same return policy as regular items. They must meet the general requirements to be eligible for a return. Without tags, items without tags are not eligible for returns or exchanges. Make sure the tags are attached before returning. 8. Time limit for returns. For online orders, items must be shipped out by the last day of the return period. You can check the exact return by date in your order history. That's everything you need to know about Uniqlo's return policy. Whether it's in-store purchases, online orders, sale items, or returns with or without a receipt, Uniqlo offers a clear and fair process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.